And since Virginia is in a state of emergency, the Commonwealth's anti-price gouging protections are in effect. It includes essential disaster items like food, water, batteries, generator services, and heating oil. Attorney General Jason Miara has laid out what to look for at the store.
Now, the basic test for determining if a price is unconscionable is whether the post-disaster price grossly exceeds the price charged for the same or similar goods or services during the 10 days immediately prior to this disaster.
And if you think you are a victim of price gouging, report it. You can call or email. We've got that on your screen. You can also visit the Virginia Attorney General's website.